Choy kama simthandela bamthanda bambiza ngayo simthandelene no Thandela. Come to another quarter date. But this time we don't have quarter because of the set. Someone is talking too much because of the quarter. So please do not buy quarter this time. I wanna talk without quarter. So guys, it's a quarter date without a quarter. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, man. How are you?
I'm feeling good.
How are you doing?
Wait, let me go with my intro first.
Okay.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Peace Mami 24, aka Tiny Mami. Okay, yeah.
Show you the quarter. Tiny Mami.
Yes, me.
Tiny with a mommy on it. How are you doing, man? We end up coming a little in luck because she can't go outside, bro. She can't even go to school. So, you
not
can
because
go.
of that.
Oh,
they said I should give myself a break.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so yeah.
Okay, come abakaklandi bafuna ukushaya.
For in. Iniso.
Yes.
No, ngibonile ukuthi bashayekile. Bashayeka if I'm You're not supposed to catch space if you're not.
So do you really think abantu bazana se Alex akana aura ve?
Nah, kuba catchile for ukuthi ngithe abana aura and ngithe most alangathi bonke.
By the way, hey man, how are you feeling? This is Unjan, Grand. Yeah man, can you kindly subscribe, like the video, share? This is another Q&A. I think this time we're gonna read the comments and sibona abantu bathini khona abantu abakhulumile so kunabantu afuna ukuba attenda understand nah and by the way uzwakala ngibhayile ikota string into uringe mntwana yeah ikota soyithenga but manje I can't go and buy ikota because of 1 2 3 you know yeah by the way hey man uzizwa njani what friend
mina
yeah
right
trend
guys kunabantu abathi bafuna ukungilanda since ngimile ngisendlini
shit. So do you think laba abantombazana commentela se Alex and akhuluma amasimba do you think
kunabanye base Alex kunabanye abangekho abalaye Alex abanye they are out of the province
laba bangekho like Alex abangasoba like Alex abakhuluma amasimba do you really think abana aura just be honest because bakhulumela la amasimba
why bakhetha if banayo
damn
phela bayasho bathini most yabantu ne from ama notes la bengwabhekile bathini if unayo aura why are you catching strays you're not supposed to catch strays if you have aura
usathi namanje ukujona ntombazana se Alex ngiyasinyathisa
most yawo uyazinyathisa it's ngikutshela okay can you stop
this girl thing yes Alex because of people now everywhere I go people they were like where's the hand do you think we're in danger or something?
I'm not in danger kanjani. It's not like kunento engiyenzile engizothini crime or anything because there were no names mentioned.
Oh.
So yeah. Bona bavele bagudleka without amagama. Yeah, I think Must nami ngiya eSkopo.
Yeah.
Ngiyagibela itafula.
Yeah.
Mara le part yokuthi bahamba nabafana nani angiyenzi.
Yo.
No,
okay. I have a question, Doc. Because of since utivela amantombazana se Alex akana aura. We most not all of them. So since utivela amantombazana se Alex akana aura should bonke. And if abana aura kanje yini aura kuwena ngendlela oyibona ngayo wena cabanga ba umuntu onjani one aura.
Ukune aura ne ubuya ngami ne from my perspective konje bathangisazi isilungu ngasikhulumi ngizosihlaza futhi from my perspective i-aura atse indlela oziphetha ngayo as umuntu i-behavior yabo oziphethe ngayo ngizothini awuzithandisi awunandaba into yenza uzenzela wena yeah ukuthi umunye umuntu uzothina unandaba i-behavior yakho man it's like attitude.
Do you think in uthando lesa 660 Alex be in love umuntu othanda nayo do you think because Alex ingane so and abantomazana ambalwa amajita ambalwa so do you think true love exist Alex?
Yeah phela angithi bathi another man's treasure I mean another man's trash is another man's treasure so umuntu angakulahla manje kusasa uthola omunye ozokuphatha kahle
damn not amantombazana nase prove aphezu kwetafula ahambe nomnye umfana which means bayathathelana
bayathathelana.
So do you think Alex, that's why ngibuza about, do you think umthando lisa exist Alex now?
Yeah.
Or kuyadlalwana nje?
Abanye bayadlalana, abanye bayathandana.
There's true love gara.
There is.
No, fair.
In fact mina yaza akunanto engizoyiconfirm because like akunamuntu like engizathini 3 or 4 gens I've dated Alex, and then akusi abantu like engaba rater.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I goes abafana
but then bakhona like laba abakwazile ukungithanda nami ngabathanda futhi, but then
Okay.
Yole eyelash.
Okay, let's go to your things. Let's go to your comments and check.
Oh yeah.
Let's go to your comments and check. Let me check your recorder now.
It is.
Okay. Check ama comment afuna ukwaphendula, kunama comment afuna ukwaphendula.
Maningi dog. Yeah. Oh yeah, maningi. Let me see.
You have to be honest and address them. So yeah.
Oh, but she doesn't know what aura means, so the case is closed apparently. I don't know what.
Do you know her?
Means. Yes.
Do you think she have aura?
Oh my gosh, angazi angifuni ukuyibring up because I was about to yeah. But ngicela niqhubeke nihleke, angazi into bengiyenza nami vele. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what's this? Oh, abantwana abancane amakredit angophendula. Oh, this one, 2 minutes fame from Smash Up has really convinced her to thinking she's the it girl, and it would be nice if she was saying this while being an academic achiever. Ooh. Coming to that, mina
do you know the girl?
Yes.
Umngane wakho Ruke lo mazi?
No, umuntu engimaziyo from esikoleni.
Okay, uthini?
So mina impendulo yami kuye.
Yeah.
As I am responding to them.
Yeah.
Ukuthi like abantu aba consent ngama academics wami bekungabe ba consent ngawabo qala.
Damn.
Yabo? Mina like thingo, oh wow, imbili into ngizoyisho, but then you're gonna forgive me. Firstly, term 1 is not my thing.
Yeah.
But then phasa because namanje ngiphasile.
Yeah.
Kahle futhi.
And they say you 12 years. But
oh yeah, coming to that. What's in the 15?
Okay,
so that's why bangeke attack.
Oh, okay. So how do you feel about amantombazana as Alex? This is because I saw a comment, so I was like, I'm gonna ask you about it. I'm gonna ask you about this one. You understand? How do you feel about amantombazana as Alex Achola na bafana be-dance abatali?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wait.
Someone said, ask me this question. But how do you feel about
why are people sending news?
You understand? So I'm going to
this time. Okay, but then yeah, you can come for me. I don't care.
Yeah. How do you feel about amantombazana as Alex trade 8, trade 2 achola na bafana?
Bashawa pressure.
Yeah.
Most yabo.
Do you think amantombazana
mina
do you think amantombazana as Alex ajolela indlala or ajolela uthando?
Abanye bajolela indlala.
Damn.
Still saying abanye.
Yeah.
It wasn't attack.
Shit.
But then yeah.
Jolela indlala. Okay, so
no, like kunalaba abajolela uthando, kunabanye abajolela indlala. Angeke uthi umntana waka grade 8 9 ebese ungitshela ukuthi wena uyazi ngothando. No. Nami ngika nje akunanto engizokhuluma ngothando because
yeah. So how do you feel about abantwana beyikolo bajola nabantwana bama 7 seaters, the old ones? About number grade 8, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. I don't know. Allergic. There's someone, guys. I'm gonna show you a screenshot. Couldn't turn up ask this question.
Ushilo vele?
Yeah.
Bazomaatheka lo muntu ungaboni isithombe sakhe.
No, there's message pair. So since because but now ma advance what there was comments if you can read. So I wanna ask you what how do you feel? You hear all Alex now you have to crop facts, dog. You have to crop facts. You hear all about.
Oh, but mina ngikuma stands and all that.
No, but ufila kanjani ngamantombazana se Alex Achola nabantu abadala abafana bama stands.
But then kunabanye abafana bama stands akwama age mates wabo mos, and then kunalaba ababadala nakubo.
So do you think abantu abadala bama stands abajola nabantwana bathathe advantage or?
Abantwana bavumelana. You have the right to say no.
I don't think he will come back again.
So do you think abantwana bathanda izinto or
Yeah.
pressure?
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, let's go to the comments again. Khona ufuna ukumphendula futhi.
Oh, another one. Let's see. Bathi kusho umuntu bamnikeza imali yomhlanga yena aya endodeni.
Okay.
Yeah, ngifuna ukulungisa leyo ndaba.
Do you know the person?
Yes. Ngiyabazi bonke labantu screenshot ama comments wabo.
Okay.
Ngiphendulela kubantu engibaziyo.
Okay.
Yeah. Bathi kusho umuntu owanikwa imali. Okay, shoot beka khona umuntu akhona abanginike imali emhlangeni. Wait, ngaye emhlangeni ngisana certificate sami sokujiji lapha endlini.
Okay.
Yes. Another thing ngaya kayi-1. Ngaya kayi-1 just to prove a point ebazalini.
Yeah.
Naleyo ukuthi tiny mami bamudle ukuthi emhlangeni ngiqala ukuyizwa ngani.
Okay.
Qala ukuyizwa ngabo.
Okay. So we're no reason wakubo uyeke ukujija.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go another.
Ngeke ngathi ngiyakhuluma bazo
Okay.
Bazothi
basaba yini?
Cha. Angibasabi. Oh, another one. Basho kanje mabephilile. Lo akangazi nobungazi. Lo osho kanje.
Okay.
Akangazi angimazi kodwa ngine information ngaye.
Lo
unglisela kuthiwa apparently unglisela umfana.
So uyena ophelile nje. Because umfana umfile waza kuwe. Uyabanda girl. Uyabanda.
No, apparently there was this other time saya scope.
Yeah.
Si jive.
Do you think most of girls abase scope they are not loyal?
Kunabantu abaloyal like
most that's why ngithi smooth.
No, mina ethi abanye ne ba control utshwala ngeke wenze into oyazi ukuthi uzohetha umuntu wakho ukuthi uyamthanda. Angeke uyenze lento leyo.
So abanye bavuma ukuhamba nabafana because badakiwe.
So abanye ba control utshwala.
So abanye badaka balahle. Damn. Ifili Alex is dead, bro. Are you still advising me ukuba ngingatshona umuntu wase Alex?
Yeah.
Ngizosinyathisa. Damn, okay, another
one. Oh, I lay English. Oh, bathi ngenza ngama fortnight esikolweni. So, responding to that, ukuthi ngenza ngama fortnight esikolweni. Into engayiphendula ukuthi njengoba ngenza ngama fortnight esikolweni ne?
Yeah.
I have my own problems, situations that I have to fix.
Yeah.
So yeah. And then ngathi ngayibonisa le part le.
Yeah, ngizosazongisendela ama screenshots ngizosendela.
Oh. Amantombazane angempela ane afro ne relaxed hair ayi mengu. And then usifaka isithombe sami unemengo la.
No.
Buna la ino leza
abantu abaserious abantu abafuna ukclifama. Let's go to people that are really umthetile lo ke.
Yeah, wayiphika athi yena akayazi next umntana kibo waba.
Bayakusaba just nje bakhulumela emakhoneni.
Yeah. Shout out to abafana like abanginike ispirit sokuthi yeah.
Asa ngithi yona uyihire bafanele base Alex. Uyihire because of batshela facts. But niyadlelwa and askis guys.
Bayadliwa.
Damn.
Okay.
Kuyashintsha.
Yeah.
That's why ngibuza uba uthando ucimala balikhona Alex na.
Kwabanye abantu likho.
Kwabanye alikho.
Yeah. Shout out to umuntu ongitextile athi kimi so vele you got almost yonke Alex on chokehold. Kugcwele wena kuma status ethu abanye ngisho awubazi mara bagudlekile still danki sesithini. Shout out to me guys, shout out.
Ngikudla abantu ababhaya. So I even saw your friends. I don't know it's still your friend or what. I saw Jerry talking. How do you feel about that Jerry? Jerry was the most leader on this thing. So what do you
angazi ukuthi ngiseleni or maybe kunomuntu owathi kimi maybe Jerry feels bad for ukuthi I chose another person over him. Oh yeah. Because remember uthekimi I should choose.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, one must go.
Yeah.
Bathi ke yena imudle from lapho.
Wait, okay guys, I'm sorry. Isejalini nemvula yaqala so last 2 nyana.
Last 2. Okay. Bathi mara izinto zamahala zikanje we understand. Ne?
Phendula that one.
Izinto zamahhala. Ngabe bayazi ukuthi akusizinto zamahhala.
Damn.
It was gonna be okay.
Last question. Do you think Alex girls they have order? That's the last question.
Ngithe most yabo, and I'm still saying most yabo they don't have it. Most yabo.
Okay, guys, if you like the video, can you kindly like the video and share, subscribe. More content coming. Next time is going to see content, guys. Because right now I can't go outside, guys. From Alex, now just
Not
chilling.
because of that. My mom said like there's still too much contraction. And my mom there's a lot of conflicts
Damn.
and disagreements on the videos happening right now. So I'm not supposed to go out.
Okay, guys, love you, share, subscribe. Content coming soon now. More. Now we can't do it because of.
The way
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.